be. I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even know me yet. But that's something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes.
So, this is everything in the truck. Got a lot of stuff. Still gonna get your car clean, some gumbo. So, this is our Friday. Okay, so it's Tuesday. And this is the weekly vlog. So, didn't do anything on Mother's Day, but just chill out, chillax. So now, on the way to the MVD, or they call it MVD out here and stuff, so, or ADOT. So, we are on our way up in here. Then I gotta get gas and go to the car wash. So, go get back to you after that. Alright, peace out. Alright, so we just got gas. Shit, gas was $37.37, isn't it? Now, go get the car wash. The express lane. I hope they ain't trying to sell me shit. Yeah. Alright. Give me a minute.
I've been waiting for the longest time. I've been trying. Can't shake this feeling I've been holding on to. I've been trying. And I notice you've been pacing like I do when I'm removed from my own mind. Baby, what am I like? And I wonder if you're feeling opportunity to come with me tonight. What you see will stay with me. What you see will only stay with me. What you see will stay with me. Run away with me. Step into the waters. I can show you something. I'm hot as so.
Hey, my peeps. I'll let you see my face. Alright, it's your girl Yvette. Give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel. This is a weekly vlog, and I'll see you shortly. Mwah. Guest parking. Pretty.
Arrive at Arizona Boardwalk.
All right, YouTube, we are at Butterfly Wonderland. So let's get in here and let's see what's going on out here in Scottsdale, okay? Peace. It's sunny. Wow. It's really, really sunny. Let's see. Woo. Look at this. Wow. The world tallest man. Please believe it or not. Wow, look at Alana.
I'm like 5'3". Is that 6 feet?
No. No. Here, let me see. Hold on.
I'm really short.
Like really short. Gosh, you're close. You're like 5'8". Wow.
It's crazy.
Yeah. Oh, look. Please don't touch, but look.
Do y'all want to go to our koi fish feeding
Oh, yes. Cool.
at 9:30?
We start the story early in the year, when butterflies arrive here in the Texas Hill Country. It's one stage in a year-long cycle that will take at least
Look in my eyes, the feeling starts. Just you and me is what it should be. You're giving me butterflies. My heart skips a beat when you're with me. Suddenly I'm paralyzed. I just get this crazy feeling looking into your eyes. Just you and me is what it should be. You're feeling these butterflies. Somehow you find a way inside my head. I think back on all the stupid things I said, but you have this effect on me. And if we're being honest here, there's no need to pretend. We could be so much more than friends. Just you and me is what it should be. You're giving me butterflies. My heart skips a beat when you're with me. Suddenly I'm paralyzed. I just get this crazy feeling looking into your eyes. Just you and me is what it should be. You're feeling these butterflies. Butterflies.
Oh, the gorilla. Gorilla, gorilla, gorilla. This the gorilla. Oh, shit. This motherfucker stood up. Dang. I can't even get his whole body. He must got a big slong car. Wow. Amazing. Amazing.
Forget your feelings, show me you want it. You've been a fan, ain't no more talking. Need you to back it up. Back it up. Oh, you been feeling, body been calling. You know this good shit, you been on it. I need you to back it up. Yeah, back it up. Ain't no time to play with you, had your time to get with it. Now I'm in your face with it, what you gon' do with it? Legs up to the ceiling, know that I'm a freak with it. Hit you when I need it, but you know what it is. Forget your feelings, show me you want it. You been a fan, ain't no more talking. Need you to back it up. Back it up. Oh, you been feeling, body been calling. You know this good shit, you been on it. I need you to back it up. Yeah, back it up. motion. Pull up on me, baby. Come give me the fist, yeah. If you know what I'm saying. This pussy is healing. When I get you deep in it, I know that you feel me, but you know what it is. Crazy, you're talking crazy when you get faded. Foolish, I want you ruthless. Don't keep me waiting on it. I want you on it. Got you hooked off it, but I don't need you falling. Look at your feelings. Show me you want it. You've been a fan. Ain't no more talking.
So this will end our trip to the Arizona boardwalk. We went to go see Ripley's Believe It or Not and the Butterfly Wonderland. So yeah, let me show you just so you can see my face. Looking toe up, but okay, I'm still cute though. All right, our last look around. Ripley's Believe It or Not is up there. That's where we went to. Then we have little shops. And then the dinosaur place is way over there. Johnny Rockets. Then this says Arizona Boardwalk. Big old tire. All right. All right, peeps. I went to the admissions place. Of course, my car passed. I forgot to record. Now on our way to get us some lunch at the Lucky Buddha. So yeah, let's take a ride with us.
Sitting in silence, we still feel the vibe, but you could not say a word, and I know what you just decided. We'd be right in the same wave. Oh, the water's perfect, babe. The heat is rising, the time is melting from my fingertips.
Good morning, peeps. It is almost 6 o'clock in the morning. It's Friday. You know what today is. You know that's grocery shopping and doing whatever. So this vlog's been all over the place, but oh well. I just wanted to tell you guys good morning. Y'all gotta say something to my vlog. Are you gonna say something to my vlog? Ashley's like, Alana, you not gonna say nothing to my vlog? Hi. All right, y'all. Catch you at first grocery store. All right, peace out. So, this is everything in the trunk. Got a lot of stuff. Here's a little basket. I'm doing an unofficial haul. Got a lot of stuff up in here. I think I'm supposed to be helping and not filming. Yeah. All right, this is the beginning of a crock pot gumbo. Got stuff in here right now. So in about 4 hours, you see the crock pot gumbo. Yeah, my daughter, she wanted some gumbo. So, this is our Friday. And then we also making some lemon pepper wings. We'll have lemon pepper wings and salad. And for tonight, kind of a healthy pizza. Yeah, well, it is a healthy pizza. We're going to have pizza tonight. This is for meal prep. So, the gumbo is meal prep and the lemon pepper wings is meal prep. So, thumbs up, people. Like my nails? I got a new set. Yeah. Sure did. Yeah. All right. I'm going to end this weekly vlog right here. Or I might show you the finished product. No, I guess I'll show you the finished product. All right. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Turn on that notification bell, love bugs. See you in a minute. Oh, at 4 hours. Well, 3:59. Yeah, 3 hours. Bye. All right, peeps. Today is Saturday. Now, I did not even show you guys close out this weekly vlog or nothing. So, without showing you the gumbo that was finished, but it looked good. But decided to do the wings today. So I'm gonna close out this video with the lemon pepper wings. Look at them. Don't they look delicious? Yes. Just in time for meal prep. Yeah. So this will close out the weekly vlog. Love bugs. Give this video a thumbs up. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so you know when I'll upload. So, you guys have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you in my next weekly vlog. Mwah. Bye, love bugs.
That's something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes and see only love in the dreams, baby. What can I do when I'm in